Hi, Daniel Parsons. Really excited to be coming to you from my home office on the almost end of a hot summer day in the Pacific Northwest. I hope you're staying cool where you are. So, I've got in my hand here this Neuro Cafe from Vital Health. And this product, it may help you with the um, ability to focus. And so that kind of starts slipping away as people get older and older. I just want to read you so I can be compliant. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So, um, I just want to read here suggested use mix 1 scoop, which is 3 grams, with 12 ounces of almond milk, coconut milk, or water. And it's like an instant powder. And this has instant dark roast coffee, inulin, bacillus coagulans, which is probiotics, Ganoderma mushroom extract, Ganoderma lucidum ginseng extract, Panax ginseng, and fulvic acid. And so um, this has only 7 calories a serving. And so um, very, very healthy for your body, these adaptogens. And Vital Health is a company that is exploding because they have affordable, high quality impact products that you experience results on these products. This other coffee, the Love Cafe, it helped increase my libido, and I'm in my latter part of my 60s now. And I just came in from working. I worked this morning outside, and then I worked some in the evening with our garden. And I'm absolutely amazed at my energy level and the ability to stay focused through the day and not have, any, what do you call it, where I'm feeling tired. And so this Love Cafe, I highly recommend. And the Love Cafe and the Neuro Cafe, those are $35 for a month's supply. Now that's very, very reasonable in 2025. And they have another one called the Thermo Cafe. And I just want to quickly mention a couple of these other products that have really helped me. Just organics, it helps clean out your liver. These are homeopathic herbs that Dr. Tony Rodriguez has had incredible success. He's got 50,000 plus testimonials from clients. There's a 6-month waiting list to go and see him at his clinic. So it's 40 Flora. I take this anywhere from 1 to 3 o'clock in the morning, depending when I get up in the middle of the night to go use the bathroom. And this has some magnesium activated charcoal and some calcium. And I tell you what, in the morning, I have no problems whatsoever when I go to the bathroom. And I'm really, really happy with what it's done with my bowel movements. And then if you're constipated, this tea detox, and it's recommended that you use this product just once a month, which it'll help go in and clean out your digestive tract. And then, this collagen. My wife is in love with this collagen. I'm noticing that my overall energy level has been boosted with this collagen. And so I forgot to tell you, this has NAD. Let me get it up close to the camera. See there right above dietary supplement, it says NAD and resveratrol. NAD and resveratrol, I've known about those for 20 years that I've been in the wellness field, and it's anti-aging, helps slow down the aging process. This V-Idle Boost, this is very, very helpful for your immune system. In the wintertime, you want to have the V-Idle boost around at all times. And then curcumax. We all know the power of turmeric, vitamin C, and selenium. And when I did the Vital Health Scanner, which it's we have those available now, it's cutting edge technology that Dr. Rodriguez has developed. It will scan your body 45 biological functions, and I was diagnosed as low in selenium. So I'm going to do a scan again soon, and I believe that I'll be all caught up on my selenium. And then I got a couple of more. I'll save the best for the last. This V-Osculax. This will may help your body with the circulation. So you got artichoke, rosemary, and MSM. And so anybody, you know, over 60 years of age is concerned about their circulation, you definitely would want to have this product. And let's see, the V-Itadol. This is glucosamine, MSM, and sarsaparilla root extract. And so this doesn't totally take away my back pain, but it reduces that. And then I can still function at a fairly high level. And then I got another bag of the collagen. That's my wife's order over there. So, and this is a game changer right here. This is the V Daily. This is one of the flagship products in Vital Health. When I was down in Mexico touring the laboratory, meeting Dr. Rodriguez, meeting all of the people that were behind the building out the new warehouse, and seeing the way that the laboratory is producing the product and the cleanliness and the inspections they do. And then they come in with a nightly cleaning crew. And this is all temperature controlled because it's very hot down there in the Sonora region of Mexico. It's south of Baja California, but south of Phoenix. So the the bay to the east of Baja California is just east of Sonora, is just east of that. So it's about an hour and 30-minute drive out to the water there. So you're in the high desert there. Well, not too high up. But anyway, so we were one day where we only had breakfast, and then we were busy with meetings all day, and we didn't get anything for dinner. And I had one V Daily about an hour and a half after I had my breakfast. And this product filled me up for the rest of that time. And I drink water all day because it's so hot down there. And I'm amazed. These multivitamins, the powders, the amino acids, the plant extracts, the pre and probiotics, and all my minerals and enzymes and vitamins, I was not hungry. This is a game changer right here. And so if you're somebody that's extremely busy and you want to make sure you're getting your nutrition, you need this V Daily. And so I've got all of these products up on my website, danielparsonsministry.com, and itsbetterfood.com. So you can also contact me to join Vital Health. I'll give you my phone number, and then I'll give you another website you can go to. My phone, Pacific Time Zone, weekdays, 360-383-0265. And that website, brainhealthincome.com. And so the compensation plan in Vital Health for people interested in the business opportunity is incredible. It would take me an hour to even start touching on it, but I've never seen a company that's so generous. And so I'll let you research that at another time. God bless you, my friends. You can always call me weekdays. Thank you very much. Daniel signing off for now.